Meaning of dystopic.
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 Dystopic. The term dystopic refers to a society or community that is characterized by poverty, oppression, suffering, and misery. It is often associated with a bleak and oppressive future where technological advancements, political ideologies, or environmental factors have led to the collapse of society as we know it. In a dystopian world, there is usually a severe lack of personal freedom and human rights, with individuals subject to the control of a totalitarian government or other oppressive force. Dystopic societies are often portrayed in literature and films as warning against the dangers of unchecked power and societal decay.